Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Capricorn, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards. For your general energies first. So today we have 10 of water, Queen of air, and Emperor. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing quick changes. Maybe you are a person who are a very devoted person. You are devoted to your ideals and belief, and you have a particular way of doing things, and you are a person, a very honest person. Whatever choices you make, you stand by those choices, and you are very confident, courageous. You are someone following the rules and regulations, whatever needs to be done in the right way. So you are in a very good position in life, a stable position in your career, maybe holding an important job, a job with a lot of authority. The same way in your personal life, you are a person of great importance. Maybe you are the leader in your family, someone with a lot of responsibility. Same way in this relationship, with this person you love, you are the one who is really responsible, making responsible decisions for yourself, for this relationship. And today you are seeing great changes happening, everything changing so quickly. And you are a person who does not give up on your vision or your ideas so easily. The same way, maybe this person may also have their way of doing things. They are unique, someone different from you. And you are not willing to give up your ideas and accept this person. Maybe the same way may be true with that person. They also want to stand by their ideals and belief and the choices they make. And that is the reason you are working on a very positive and a beautiful relationship with healthy boundaries. You both understand each other's differences, you honor each other's differences, and you are a person with clear communication, and you are making the right choices, shrewd decisions in this relationship, and that is what is making this connection work. And things are going in a beautiful way, and you know what you want, what this person wants, and you want and you are someone maintaining that balance and harmony in this relationship. And your shrewd decisions are the reason for happiness and balance in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Page of Earth. So again with this card, it just means that you are someone committed to whatever plans and dreams you have, and you are someone who has that positive thought, positive intentions, and that is what is bringing you happiness and success in your life. And you are committed to this relationship, committed to this person. Maybe if you have doubts on this person you love, Capricorn, you can be rest assured with these cards. I can definitely say that they are committed to this love, and things are going in a beautiful way, and everything you need is coming to you, and you're going to celebrate this relationship. Serenity, peace and happiness is what I see with these cards in your relationship. It's all blessings now. It's all blessings time coming your way, Capricorn. So for your career, let's see what is the card. We have Magician. So things are going to fall into place in a magical way in your work. So whatever you dream for, whatever you are really inspired to do, you are doing that, and you are going to see success in your career. That is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few minutes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside for those who chose this card. The Sea Maiden. Promises. So in our life, maybe in our circumstances, if we have made some promises, those promises must be kept. Otherwise we will be faced with more difficult circumstance, something we cannot handle. So this is the card reminding us to keep our end of the bargain. Maybe if we tell someone that we will do something, we must do it. And if we request help from someone, when that person requests help back, we must be able to help them back. That is what this card is about. And maybe you are quite restless about something. You are searching for an answer, or you are searching for a way to come out of some circumstance. And today you will find the right thing to do, the right answer, what needs to be done. But you must be ready to give up something on your part, sacrifice something on your part to get that answer. And today these circumstances are here to make changes in you. There are some changes happening today, happening in your life, and you must honor your words, whatever you tell. Maybe you make promises to people close to you, people you love. You must make promises only if you are able to keep those promises. And these promises must not be used to get something out of that person. Use something use it as something selfishly. So when you keep your end of the bargain, things are going to work out well. But if you break the promises you made, it's going to land you in difficulty. So that is the energy here. And this card also suggests that your restlessness is going to come to an end. You're going to find an answer. And whatever is your destiny, though you will be making a lot of efforts, you may go through a lot of pain, but whatever you need to go through, you will come out of it successfully. That is what this card is about. Maybe the path may be quite difficult, but you are definitely going to come out of your you will survive your destiny. That is what this card is about. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it says milk and honey. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship, if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to find someone good, find someone, a person who is going to open up a very passionate romantic time with you, and you are going to have a great time with this person. Beautiful understanding, love and compatibility. Or maybe if you are already in a connection, this card suggests that there is a greater intimacy, harmony and a beautiful understanding flowering in this connection. And you will feel really grateful to be in this love, to be with this person. And this card stands for gratitude, that happiness and satisfaction. The same way in your career, whatever choices you make, whatever choices you are making today, it is going to lead you towards greater success, abundance, and you are going to embrace your destiny, and whatever opportunities you are going towards, all that opportunities are going to give you a sweet taste of the success you are going to experience in your life today. So that is what this card is about. This card is about happiness, prosperity, abundance and opportunities, and trust in your circumstances, trusting in your destiny that all your needs will be met. So that is the energy here. That is the reading with these cards. Thank you guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.